When setting the value of your program, it is not about you. It is about your client. Your client is not paying for your credentials, for your pain and suffering, for the amount of time it took you to figure it out. What your client is paying for is their results, for you to be able to take them from point A to point B. If it took you a long time, if you have 1,000 degrees that cost you billions of dollars and you do not deliver a result, that's not valuable. But if you figured something out, maybe it took you a long time, maybe it didn't, maybe you have a degree, maybe you don't. But if you are able to take someone from their pain and their problem and able to deliver and help them get that incredible, excellent result, that's valuable. And in fact, the shorter time frame, the better. So too often I hear people evaluate it because it's like, well, it took me a long time to put these modules together. Your client does not care. It took me a long time to figure out the tech. Your client does not care. So some things take you a long time and some things took you longer than it should have. That's just the way it is. But when you can deliver excellent results and that investment, we're not talking about charging exorbitant fees, but we want that client to be able to focus. And if we could give it to them for free and it would work, go ahead and do that. But it won't. What they need to do is make themselves a priority. And that financial investment is a great equalizer. It is a great way for them to make themselves a priority. Occasionally, there is something else that makes themselves a priority. A life-threatening diagnosis is one. A high school reunion can be another one that makes themselves focus in the moment. But an investment allows them to put a little bit of skin in the game so that they will follow through and get those great results. So just something to be very mindful of and intentional when you're creating your program. And I really want to discourage you from doing this charging by the hour, because they're not paying for your chit-chatting with them. What they're paying for is for the results. And so if you can do that quicker, if you can help someone get out of pain faster, that's more valuable than extending it out and taking hours and hours and hours of their time. So some common misconceptions when it comes to evaluating your program. If you like this video, feel sure to like and subscribe. More videos on more six-figure health coach tips that you'll find in here. And if you have a question or a scenario or a situation that you've encountered and you'd like my input on, be sure to ask in the comments. Be good for you.